And it absolutely does work. It absolutely does work. And I have done it many times in my youth as a baby. But what shifts is the focus, because what you call forth with your vision, these are the mastermind chakras. What you call forth with your vision is what you bring into your world. You see the good, you will call forth the good. All right. I behold the Christ in you. You are a child of God. And I see Christ in every face. That's really the one I would use. I see Christ in every face. I see Christ in every face. Say that with me.
I see Christ in every face.
How's that feel? All right, now we're to the crown chakra, top of the head, and it's a beautiful lavender color. And in your crown is where you get your Christmas present. Ta-da! For you, your present. And your present, the biggest present you could ask for is, God, put me where I need to be on my divine life journey in my perfect place. Because if I am in my perfect place, the universe is supporting me in all areas of my life. Wouldn't that be a great gift? To be in your perfect place, where your soul chose for you to be, where you need to be to express love and peace and truth. So, God is a part of my purpose. I want to be on track with my soul's journey. All right. Jesus Christ said to find the God within. God within flows through my beliefs, my thoughts, and my energy. As I shift my beliefs, my thoughts, and my energy, greater energy of God can flow within. So it becomes a reality instead of just an ideal. And I know I've worked you really hard this morning. But we have to really begin to train the mind to shift. So that's what we're going to do now. Ready? We're going to light the Christmas tree. Take a deep breath and just feel that beautiful love of God coming out. And I want you to feel the presence of Jesus Christ with you. See yourself in a column of light and feel the presence of Jesus Christ standing by your side. You are the reason for this celebration. The Christ awakening within you. The Christ awakening within the earth. And I want you to feel your love for Jesus Christ for coming to open us up, to remind us, to love us. And just feel a beautiful red light flowing over you now. I am an ambassador of God's love. And just breathe it into the cells of your body. And a beautiful orange light begins to glow from within. Joy moves through every cell of my body. And feel the beautiful yellow. I am in the flow of Christmas magic. The universe supports me in all I do. And just feel your whole consciousness engulfed in a radiant golden light. And the green now begins to come up. Beautiful emerald green surrounding you. I love life. I love God. I love my people. I love the earth. I love myself. Now the beautiful light blue coming up from the throat. Feel your words being filled with love. Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christmas to me. Merry Christing to me. And just breathe in the energy. And feel the beautiful indigo of the brow chakra opening and just engulfing you now. I choose to see Christ in every face. And breathe it in. And now the beautiful lavender of the crown chakra. Just see yourself engulfed in it. Father, Mother God, put me on purpose. I ask to be on purpose with my life journey. And just feel as the lavender begins to abate and there's just a golden light all around you. And you have prepared the way. Ask now that the presence of God fill you. Father, Mother God, fill me on every level, body, mind, and spirit, emotions and matter. And feel your love for Creator. And as the circle becomes complete, just reach out and grab the hand of Jesus Christ by your side. And feel the oneness. We are the children of God. And just see the light going out before you. Ask that the path becomes straight. And as we step forward now this day, God, let us be in our right and perfect place, walking as light beings, divine children of God, hearts open, minds clear, love in every chakra. And thank you. Just breathe. Feel that beautiful light still around you. Feel Jesus Christ still by your side. Feel God still in your heart. And when you're ready, you can just feel the chair that you sit. And you can gently open your eyes. How you guys feel? Lights are on.
Christmas tree.
Alright, good.
And light.
Take those lights out into the world and look at your brothers and sisters with a conscious mind. Merry Christmas.